You look at the Quran, of the first du'as that we find is رَبَّنَا لَا تُزِغْ قُلُوبَنَا بَعْدَ إِذْ هَدَيْتَنَا. Oh Allah, do not let our hearts deviate after you have guided them. Why? Because we know that the Quran is guidance. But just because your heart finds guidance at one point doesn't mean that it's going to stay upon that guidance. So, oh Allah, do not let our hearts deviate from that guidance after you have guided those hearts. But what is this pure heart that you're talking about? And he said, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, هو التقي النقي لا إثم فيه ولا بغي ولا غل ولا حسد. It is a heart that is pious and pure. It has no sin in it, no injustice, no malice, and no envy. And if you think about those du'as from the Quran, if your hearts do not deviate from the path of guidance, and if your hearts don't have hatred towards the believers, then you find your heart arriving at the station of being makhmoom al-qalb, this pure heart that the Prophet ﷺ is talking about.